Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode on Versatile Frame Captures. Today we are going to do a mutton liver fry and it's going to be a spicy version. So let's get started guys. It's a simple variant yet a spiciest one. So let's take a pan and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. As the pan is getting heated up, meanwhile I'm chopping the onions and the green chilies. This is a perfect dish to consume it with an alcohol or else with a rice and dal. Meanwhile, I'm gonna cut the liver pieces as well and keep it aside. Now let's add the onions and green chilies. As you can see that I have diced it in a very small quantity because since we are doing it for fry, we don't want the flavors of onions or chilies directly coming into our mouth. So let's mix it for 2 to 5 minutes in a medium flame. I'm adding 8 to 10 curry leaves and again gonna mix it for 2 more minutes. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it along with the onions so that the ginger garlic paste smell fades away and the onion also will become golden brown color. Mostly if you're interested in fries, you can able to check out the link which is available in the description below. So let's get back into the video. Now I'm going to add a turmeric powder. While mixing everything, let me go ahead and give you a quick insight. Mutton liver is basically consists of vitamin A, which is used for eyes basically, and it has a copper, zinc and chromium and vitamin B12. Unfortunately, most of the people don't prefer, whereas it's a healthy food. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Because already we have used green chilies, I am reducing the spices. So after mixing it for 2 minutes, you can see that now everything is thickened. So I'm gonna add a glass of water and gonna mix it again. Since I have added water, now from high flame I'm gonna reduce it to a medium flame and I'll be waiting until the water gets boiled. Now you can see that the water is boiled, so I am adding all the chopped liver pieces into it. And after adding it, I am gonna stir it gently for some time. And after that, I am gonna keep a lid and let it cook by itself. By itself means not like that. Only thing is that once in a while you need to open the lid, you have to mix it again and you have to keep it. So meanwhile, add salt as required, so that the salt will be added and the texture will be formed. So as you can see, I'm mixing it again. I am kept the lid, so again after some time I'm opening the lid. So the process needs to be continued until the water is completely drained and it's absorbed by the liver itself. After 20 minutes, almost all the water is absorbed by the liver. So now I'm gonna mix it gently and again let it gonna rest for 5 minutes in a slim flame. Now let me go ahead and check whether the liver is completely prepared or not. As you can see that the water is completely absorbed and it smells very nice. Yeah, I can see that the liver is completely soft and ready. It's ready to serve guys. We can just take it in a plate and we can serve it with an alcohol or as a side dish. Thank you for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe our channel for further updates. Thank you.